Close your eyes for a moment and think about a brand that you absolutely love. Got it? Now, think about why you love that brand. Is it their products, their customer service, or maybe their cool advertisements? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of branding and customer relationship management, CRM, and understand how these elements work together to create strong, lasting connections with customers. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand the fundamentals of branding and its importance, recognize the key elements of effective customer relationship management, apply these concepts to real-world business scenarios. Branding is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's the overall perception of your company in the eyes of your customers. It encompasses your company's values, mission, and the experiences you deliver. Think about Apple. Their branding isn't just the logo, it's the sleek design of their products, the innovative technology, and the consistent quality. All these elements combined create a strong, recognizable brand. Branding helps differentiate your product from competitors, builds customer loyalty, and establishes trust. A strong brand can command higher prices and attract loyal customers. Consider the story of Nike. Starting as a small shoe company, Nike built its brand around the spirit of athleticism and the iconic "Just Do It" slogan, aligning their brand with top athletes and continuously innovating. Nike has now become a global powerhouse in sports apparel. Let's discuss some elements of a strong brand. Identity, the visual and verbal elements that define the brand, such as logos, colors, and slogans. Promise, what customers can expect from the brand, consistently delivered through products and services. Experience, every interaction that a customer has with the brand, from the website to customer service. Think of a brand as a person. The identity is like their appearance and style. The promise is their personality and what they stand for. And the experience is how they make you feel when you interact with them. Let's move on to customer relationship management. CRM is a strategy for managing a company's interactions with current and potential customers. It involves using data and technology to improve business relationships, focusing on customer retention and driving sales growth. Think of CRM as a garden. Just as you tend to plants by watering and nurturing them, businesses use CRM to cultivate and maintain customer relationships, ensuring they grow and flourish over time. Customer data management, collecting and analyzing customer information to understand their needs and preferences. Communication, engaging with customers through various channels to build relationships and provide value. Customer support, offering excellent service to resolve issues and enhance customer satisfaction. Amazon is a master of CRM. They use customer data to personalize recommendations, streamline the purchasing process, and provide exceptional customer service. Improved customer satisfaction and loyalty, increased sales through personalized marketing and upselling, better insights into customer behavior, helping to refine marketing strategies. Let's summarize. Branding and customer relationship management are necessary components of a successful business strategy. Branding creates a strong identity and differentiates your products, while CRM focuses on building and maintaining lasting relationships with your customers. As future business leaders, mastering branding and CRM will be essential for your success. Always remember that a strong brand and a positive customer relationship are the foundation of any thriving business. Choose a well-known brand and analyze its branding strategy and CRM practices. Discuss how these elements contribute to the company's success and suggest any improvements. For further reading, I recommend Building Strong Brands by David A. Ecker. It provides deep insights into branding strategies and their impact on business performance.